the ultimate guide to Flamingo Finance. Have fun staying poor. Welcome to the channel. Please make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Flamingo Finance is a decentralized finance, DeFi, platform where users can convert assets, wrap assets, provide liquidity, and earn yield through staking. Flamingo's SmartStake feature enables users to perform all of these actions in a single click. The Flamingo token, FLM, functions as the rewards token users can earn by adding liquidity to liquidity pools and staking their liquidity pool tokens, LP tokens. The platform facilitates automated transactions between cryptocurrency tokens on the Neo N3 blockchain through the use of smart contracts. The project was initially launched by Neo Global Development, NGD, underscoring Neo's vision to build the smart economy, of which DeFi is a crucial component. The Flamingo Finance DeFi platform is compiled of several asset actions users can take: SmartStake, convert, wrap, and unwrap, add liquidity, remove liquidity, stake, and unstake. Users can perform any of these actions via the Asset Actions tab. Upon choosing a token and quantity to trade, users will be matched with the price and quantity of the target token, decided by the liquidity pool status. Instead of using a traditional buy/sell order book, both sides of the trade are pre-funded by on-chain liquidity pools. The current trading fee is set at 0. When a user wants to trade A to C without sufficient liquidity in the pool, or the relevant pool has not yet been established, the trading router will automatically search for an optimal trading route to execute the trade. Users can remove liquidity at any time to swap LP tokens back to the corresponding assets. The Earn module is Flamingo's one-stop asset manager, integrating asset staking and collateralized stablecoin issuance. On the Earn page, users can see which tokens are available for staking on Flamingo, the user's current staked tokens, and the user's staked tokens value. After staking LP tokens, users mint FLM in real time, released to them as unclaimed FLM tokens. Users can then claim the distributed FLM as rewards, and the claimed FLM rewards are immediately sent to the user's wallet. The Earn page shows in real time how much FLM a user has earned along with its USD value, both the current value held as well as how much a user is earning by the second, minute, hour, day, month, and year. Earn has two main functions. Users can track their rewards in real time and can claim their rewards in FLM after staking NEP17 tokens, LP tokens. Users can also view various data points on their staked LP tokens such as LP token price, APY, holdings, and total value of their holdings. Liquidity providers of FLM trading pairs can stake their LP tokens into the Earn module. Under this mechanism, capital efficiency is more than doubled. Furthermore, liquidity providers can continue to use the synthetic stablecoin Fused. Through these mechanisms, Flamingo promises to deliver unprecedented capital efficiency and liquidity compared to isolated DeFi protocols. Flamingo will distribute FLM 100% based on contribution to the platform with 0% pre-mining or team reserve. Flamingo aims to incentivize the broader community to participate in the Neo DeFi ecosystem. FLM is the project governance token, and FLM holders can participate in governance through voting in DAO. As the project community successor, the Flamingo team contributes resources and presently governs the initial platform designed to actuate the project at its early stage, to facilitate the long-term growth of the project. FLM holders are responsible for governing the Flamingo project, which includes but is not limited to tokenomics, parameter configuration, and functionality improvements/changes. Anyone can become an FLM holder and join the community to shape the future of Neo's DeFi ecosystem. Anyone can submit proposals in DAO, and FLM holders are entitled to voting rights for relevant proposals. There are two types of proposals. Proposers can submit proposals to improve the overall system design of Flamingo, such as liquidity improvement plans, liquidation mechanism, risk control strategies, and etc. FLM holders can decide the most important metrics of Flamingo as well as the release schedule of FLM. Examples of the metrics include but are not limited to staking token whitelist/distribution FLM distribution mechanism. Guys, make sure like, comment and let me know your thoughts. Please subscribe to my channel. Have fun staying poor.